Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a part 2 of my previous video on how to use the while block. So if you haven't watched the previous video yet, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. So without further ado, let's get coding. So we had done this much code in which we had covered up making three sprites. One was Lola, one was the apple, and one was the cupcake. And now we're going to start the main code, which is using the while block. So now I have done a little bit code off screen. So it's like here I have got a while block, while up pressed move Lola 10 pixels north, edges block Lola from moving. So basically I'll just tell you guys what the code is, what the code means. So it's like when we press the up key, which you can see over here and which you also have on your keypad, we move the character Lola 10 pixels towards the north side, which is up. And edges block Lola from moving. That means edges block her from moving. So she can't go like out of the edges, out of the screen. So let's run and check if it's working. So I did the same with up, down, and right. Let's see. Yes. And now you may ask me like what's the difference between while and when. So let me show you guys. So I'm going to events. I'm getting a when. So when I did right, so I'm going to do left. When left pressed, I'm going to actions move. You can either get Lola like that or just get that, copy paste it. You can even get it in the sprites option. You can just find it out. Use the little arrow to change the name. So 10 pixels west. And edges block I think is in the actions. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's in the actions. So edges block Lola from moving. So now you can see the difference. Now it's like when left press. So I'm long pressing it. I'm long pressing right. So it's moving. But I'm long pressing left. Just moving once. So I need to press 100 times to get it back, get it to the extreme left corner. So that's the difference. Hope you guys get it. So now I'm going to do while. Yeah. So next, as I told in the previous video, that when Lola touches the apple, she should grow, and when Lola touches the cupcake, she should shrink. Sorry, shrink. So I'm going to go to events. To write that code, we're going to go to events first. Get the when bunny touches carrot, but we're going to do Lola touches apple. Just get it down there. When Lola touches apple, we need to change the size of Lola. So for that, I'm going to go to actions, change Lola size by 10. Okay, it's okay by 10. Then next, I'm going to just copy paste this, and I'm going to select the cupcake in which we're going to shrink, not we, Lola. So I'm again going to get the change block, change Lola size by, instead of 10 we're going to write minus 10. Why? Because we are shrinking. We are shrinking the character Lola. So now let's write out. See, she just shrank. Now she grew, shrink. So now actually it's pretty difficult to see that if she's shrinking and growing. So maybe we can add some sound to it. Yeah, we can do that. So I'm going to go to actions. I'm not pretty sure about the sound block where it is in this, here over there. Yeah, play sound. So I'm going to play a sound. I'm just going to play any sound. You can actually select whichever you want. So here I'm going to select another sound. Let's run. Yeah, so you can choose any sound, and make sure you like this video, subscribe